Today we're looking at a 6-pack of Citronella candles. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. We are in the camper today in the middle of the woods, right by a river. And there are lots of bugs, so I'm hoping that these candles keep them away. I can already smell them. I literally could smell them right after I pulled the plastic off. They're packaged really nicely to protect them during shipping. And these are glass, and they're really beautiful. They're 3 different colors, and they have 2 wicks. You need to remove this top part before lighting. It's a little too warm for a fire, so we're going to use the Citronella candle instead to hopefully ward off some bugs. This did have a really pleasant, light citronella scent, and I do believe it kept some of the bugs at bay. If you are looking for some citronella candles this summer, I would not hesitate to recommend these.